Yo, guys, I think I'm stuck.
Oh shit! Oh, oh damn it, no, I thought I was stuck. Oh crap. I was like so excited. I was like, what the heck is going on with this thing? Alright, you know what? Here, let's open the door. Alright. Ooh, spoopy. Alright. Ooh, square lanterns. Alright. I guess I'll get a video of these. Okay. Check out the cabs of these things. Oh my god. This is one of the coolest cabs I've ever seen. I don't even care that these were modded. Just the cabs are so freaking awesome. Oh my god, whoever did these cabs, oh my god. Wow. I got really excited. I thought I was stuck. I've always wanted to get stuck in an elevator. It's kind of weird, I know, but push your buttons.
First floor. Going up.